Hey guys, FjCuts here, and we're back again with another video, guys. This is another perm tutorial, guys, but also I have some glimpse of the actual haircut, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys a few clips of how I did the haircut for it. So he wants like a mid-fade, mid-skin fade, guys, and what I'm doing is I'm leaving some darkness at the top. So what I did is I took down the bulk with a level 3, and then I'm going to do the skin fade after it, guys. So it just makes everything easier because it gives you like a fresh plate to work with. And then like with the detailers, guys, or your trimmers, you can just take down the bulk and make your first guideline with the number 0, guys. And yeah, you just want to go around the temple, make it straight, or you could do a little bit of a curve depending on how the head shape is of each client, guys. Each fade is different to each head. That's just how I look at it, guys. So yeah, guys, after you do your first guideline, which is a 0, you want to get a double 0, which is going to add a bit more gradients to your actual fade, guys. So it's going to go from 0, 0, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 to, it just makes the fade pop, guys, and the fade lasts longer as well, guys, because you're getting closer to the skin. So what I did is I got my EZBLADE shaving gel, and you guys can purchase this on their website, guys, and you can use my discount code, which is in the description down below, guys, for like a 10% discount. And yeah, guys, I applied the shaving gel on the actual hair, and then I massaged it in, making the hair softer for the easy shave with the EZBLADE razor as well, guys. But then yeah, guys, you just, after you do all of the shaving or foil shaver, guys, you just want to flick out that bottom line. And what I'm doing is I'm basically just flicking it out, guys. I'm using my detailers or my T outliners. I'm just flicking it out, guys, and making sure that line is gone, because that is actually an important step for the fade. You want to make sure that bottom line is gone, or else what is a fade if you can see guidelines, guys. So if you guys need a more in-step instructions, I do have a video of an actual haircut. I'll put it in the description down below, guys, so you guys can go have a look at that. But yeah, guys, just play around with your lever. You want to go to your 1 guard and then go to your half guard as well, and then the 1.5 guard, just basically fading it out, guys. Just fade it out. Try not to bring the fade too high, because there's no purpose of it being a mid fade if you're just going to keep pushing the fade higher and higher. But yeah, you want to also keep that darkness at the top, so the hair of the curls after the perm will sit on the actual fade. You'll see at the end, guys, the hair on top just sits on the fade, so it becomes more natural and it doesn't just look like curls then skin, if you get what I mean. You'll see it, you'll see it on the line, guys. So then yeah, guys, after the haircut, what I did is I sprayed the hair on top down with some water, and I'm basically just combing it through, making sure all the knots in the hair are gone. He didn't want to trim the top since he's growing it. And yeah, guys, so what I do is I section the top into 3 sections: back, middle and front. And like I always do, I go from right to left. If you guys need a more detailed video on how I do my sections, I can make a separate video, guys. Just comment down below or give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more. But yeah, guys, what I did is 3 sections. Remember that: back, middle, front, and then right to left from each section, guys. So Each section doesn't really matter how big or small, just make sure they're all equal. And then when you're sectioning it in for the rods, you want to make sure it's all even as well, guys. So it's all the hair that's going to go into the rods is even with each other. And I'm going to be using the brick layering method of the actual rod, so everything just sits together. And then as you can see, I put the end paper, guys, and when you want to do is you want to roll it back to the end and clip it and then roll down to the roots. You can either go forwards or backwards, but backwards makes the hair stand up, forwards makes the hair stay down. So if you want a more curly type that sticks up, you want to go backwards. If you want the hair of the curls to go down, just go forwards. And you want to repeat the same process of the rods, guys, along the hair, guys. So just put the end paper on, slide to the end, clip the ends when you're rolling it back or forward, and then that should stick together, and then roll it to the roots. You guys can purchase all of these products I use in my video on my website at www.FjCuts.com. It's in the description down below, so just go have a look there, guys. You can either book a haircut or a perm there. If you guys have any questions, you guys can message me there as well. But yeah, guys, you just want to follow these steps and you should be able to do it at home. So guys, after you do all of the rods, it should start to look like this. And then now we're gonna put in the solution. You guys want to use a kitchen roll and fold it up and make it a little bandana type. This will soak in the solution, and you can change it after so it doesn't soak into the skin. I use a towel as well, guys, so you can soak in the solution so it doesn't drip down to the face. I'm going to be using the Boots Perm kit as well, guys. You guys can purchase this on my website down below. Yeah, guys, I'm using the perm solution. I'm just putting in each rod, making sure each hair is saturated, guys. You want to make sure each hair is saturated. Guys, I cannot stress that enough. Make sure each hair is saturated so that the solution can soak into the hair and it can start the process of the actual perm. You guys need to do this step so the perm neutralizer can work. And then yeah, guys, same procedure. Just take out the old tissue and then replace it so it doesn't soak into the skin. And then now you want to use the head cap plastic, or you can use the self-heating cap that I do have on my website, guys. It is better than this plastic version. And you want to leave that solution in for an hour, guys. All the instructions is down below. You want to wash it with water and make sure the smell is gone. And then after that, guys, you want to use the perm neutralizer after the hour is gone, guys. The instructions is down below in the description, so just go have a look at that. And then yeah, guys, same procedure. Make sure each hair is saturated with the perm neutralizer. And yeah, guys, you should be good to go. Repeat the same process. Change the actual tissue, wipe it down, get a new roll, and then tie up and then put in the cap again. And you want to leave the solution in, guys, for another hour, and after that wash it again and you're good to go. So yeah, guys, after you do wash it after an hour, you can just take out the rods. The rods after, guys, you should wash it so all the chemicals is gone. And then the end papers that was used, guys, just throw away because you can't really reuse it. Then yeah, guys, this is how it should look when it's wet. And then you guys always ask me to dry the hair after, so what I did is I got a blow dryer. You guys can use the diffuser, which is much better because it doesn't allow the hair to be frizzy after. By using the diffuser, the airflow of the actual blow dryer just splits out and it's not just directly in one spot. You guys can get this attachment on my website at www.FjCuts.com. It is in the description down below, guys, and I have a discount code FJ20 for 20% off, so you guys need to go have a look at that. But yeah, guys, what I did is I'm just drying the hair and I'm using my fingers to basically pick it out. It's better to use your fingers to pick out these curls so it's not too frizzy after. You're basically just playing around with it, you're touching it, and then you're poking it out a little bit. Don't comb it through fully because then the curls will be gone and it will just be a bit bushy. So then yeah, guys, this is how the hair looked before, and this is how it looks after, guys. I hope you do like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, guys, if you have any suggestions, just comment down below and I should be with it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Peace.